It's Welcome, Brendan Bears. I'm Mr. Lopez.
And I'm Mr. Cerno, reporting from BTV Studio.
Today is Thursday, October 10, 2019.
Next Wednesday, the entire campus will be in test mode with PSAT and SAT testing, which includes seniors. All students will need a photo ID, such as your school ID, and there will be no off-campus lunch permitted. Be sure to eat a good breakfast and be early as testing begins at 9 a.m. For those taking the PSAT and MSQ tests, do your best to earn a Merit Scholar designation, which qualifies you for a $2,500 scholarship.
It's a lot of scholarships. For seniors who did not sign up for the SAT, you will participate in a career exploration, which include the military branches, career and technology, Milan and the Universal Technical Institute, fire and police, culinary school, and you will learn more about FAFSA, which is financial aid.
Yes, it is. Attention Bears, bowling tryouts for the upcoming season will be today from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and also on Sunday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. You only need to attend one tryout session. Tryouts are $15 and you pay the bowling alley when you arrive. For more information, contact Mr. Silva in C217.
JROTC will hold its annual blood drive October 23rd. You can sign up in the cafeteria during your lunch period. Donating blood will take one class period. Sign up ends October 18th. For more information, contact a JROTC cadet or see them in the cafeteria.
Bears, if you took debate last year, go by Mrs. Saby's room, C108, to pick up your NSDA membership certificate. If you did not collect your certificate before tomorrow, it will be recycled.
Recycling is important, but pick up your certificate. Brendan Dance and Drill will host their annual clinic for pre-K through high school students on October 19th. It's from noon to 3 p.m. The clinic fee is $35, includes a t-shirt, snack, and a ticket to the varsity football game, which is against Clark, for any participant over the age of 4. Participants should wear comfortable clothes, and a permission slip must be signed by a legal guardian or parent. For more information, call Ms. Brock or Ms. Ryan at 210-398-1365 or contact a Brendan Dance and Drill team member.
Brendan Ambassadors are still looking for any gently used outfits that might make someone's formal event a much more delightful experience. They have partnered with a fellow Northside High School to help make their homecoming a great one for their student population. The Ambassadors Leadership Team's deadline for participating is October 24th. For more information, see Mr. Lopez
Me.
in A204.
NHS is also giving service hours to those who donate clothes. Dresses, dress shirts, pants, or a pair of shoes will be counted as 1 hour. Accessories like belts and jewelry will be counted as half an hour.
Tuesday at Paul Taylor Gym, our Lady Bears volleyball team dropped the first set to Taft, 25-19.
Right on.
No, they dropped it.
Oh.
But they came back to take the next set, 25-10, the third set, 25-16, and held on in the fourth set to win 25-20. Way to go, Lady Bears.
There you go.
On your overall win. Take a look at some highlights.
Tomorrow is Declaration of Respect Day, and you can sign a pledge with counselors during the lunch periods. Sign up and show your respect. Take a look at some of our students who signed up last year.
When there is love, I can't wait to talk about it when things get rough. I like to walk with you when it's night. I like to be the light that's missing and remind you every minute of the future isn't written, not yet. When there is love, when the heart feels heavy, we can lighten it up. If you've had enough, well, you can empty your glass and we can fill it back up. You know it's up to us to make it all up. So what you making up, I can make it up. That you could be loved no matter what. You know the only time is right now. It's right where you are. You don't need a vacation when there's nothing to escape from. Singing ha la 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 la. Let's all
Today, our varsity Bears take on Marshall at Ferris at 7 p.m. Get out and support them as they are the featured game on CW35's Thursday Night Lights. Also, if you didn't make it to the Pink Out Pep Rally this morning, take a look at some highlights.
We're on TV.
We're being featured as one of the schools on TV, and we also have chosen our teacher spotlight. And our teacher spotlight is our very own Miss Cynthia Farrell.
Looking forward to playing again, coming off a bye week. It's been a pretty long time since we actually played a game, so guys are really excited to get back in and get another district victory on our way to the playoffs, so on and so forth. So again, we're picked tonight. Come early, be loud, support the Bears. We're in a fight, never dies.
Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears if you missed any part of this broadcast. Catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Brennan website, and if you have any announcements for us, please use the form on the website or email Mr. Cerna. Me.
Let them know. I'm Mr. Lopez signing off for BTV.
And I'm Mr. Cerna. Have a great day, Bears.
Bye.
BTV, 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 BTV.